Good morning. Really enjoy your work. This is Friends International. We are live at South Osun State, Nigeria, for our mega event outreach. We are about now getting ready to commence the As you can see, we already have our guests already present, waiting for the kickoff of the program. We are bringing our food items prepared. Also give out to this elderly person seated here. As a point of international, our agency is not just about physical well-being of the people. We are so very much interested in spiritual. That is why we have come with this our part concept to help them in their spiritual life, as well as these good items to them. This is our first mega outreach. First time outreach. However, this is not our first outreach. So you see our coordinator in answering to the very It has also carried out several outreach in this country. I'll be bringing you more updates as we progress. Thank you.